Uh, Very good morning. My name is Satish Kumar. I'm studying in DT and NDT in Civil. This is my ninth assignment. The assignment is explain with the standard IS or ASME the procedure of the Marshall stability and flow testing of our sulfate mixes or dynamic cone penetration tests. First, we will discuss Marshall stability tests. The process ASME D6927-15 is the procedure and code also. The Marshall procedure uses a series of laboratory tests and evaluation criteria for the selecting materials and progressively narrows in on optimum mix design. A suitable mix will resist deformation from traffic load and damage from the climatic conditions. We will have adequate skid resistance. Aggregate selection begins with the lab testing to measure the physical property of aggregates, abrasion resistance, soundness, durability, and particle shape all combine to ensure the aggregate are durable and contribute to the strength and resistance to deformation of the final sulfate mix. The chart below shows some typical laboratory tests performed to evaluate proposed aggregates. There are linked references for the testing equipment and ASME ASHTO test methods. This test method covers measurement of a resistance to plastic flow of 4 inches 1 or 2 mm, cylindrical specimen of asphalt paving mixers loaded in directions perpendicular to the cylindrical axis by means of the Marshall apparatus. This test method is for use with dense graded sulfate mixes prepared with sulfate cement, modified and unmodified, cutback sulfate, tar and tar rubber with the maximum size of aggregate up to 1 inch 25 mm in size, passing 1 inch. Next topic, flow testing of sulfate mixes. The code also ASHTO T37817. Description: the test is conducted by applying repeated ever-since axial compressive loads to cylindrical specimen at specific test temperature. The test may be conducted with or without conforming pressure. For each load cycle, the recoverable strain and permanent strain are recorded. The flow number is determined as the number of load cycles corresponding to the minimum rate of change of a permanent strain. What is the theory of dynamic cone penetration test? The dynamic cone penetration test provides a measure of material in suit resistant to penetration. The test is performed by driving a metal cone into the ground by repeated striking it with a 8 kg weight dropped from the distance of 575 mm. This is the procedure of Marshall stability and flow testing of for sulfate mixes and dynamic cone penetration tests.